new look. I'm back with another natural homemade remedy for your eyebrows. Everyone has a desire of having a bigger, fuller and darker eyebrows, but some of us don't have those thicker eyebrows. Now I'm going to show 2 DIYs how to grow your eyebrows naturally at home. 2 ways how to grow your eyebrows naturally at home. Generally, these bigger, fuller and perfectly shaped eyebrows accentuate the cuteness of your face. Nowadays, thick eyebrows are in trend and have been flaunted by several beautiful ladies on the silver screen and ramp. You can even give a desired shape to your thick eyebrows. For those women who crave for thick eyebrows and use pencil to make their thin eyebrows to look thick, this is a wonderful home remedy to get broad eyebrows in just 15 days. The first way is of using this coconut oil. By using this coconut oil, I'm going to show how to apply onto your eyebrows. I now take a cotton. Take a cotton, make it round, or else if you have any mascara, dried mascara, you can apply with those mascara also. So I'm not having the dried mascara right now, so that I am using this cotton to apply this coconut oil onto my eyebrows. This coconut oil is very well known for inducing the hair growth. Apply lukewarm coconut oil on your eyebrows and leave it for whole night for getting the desired results. Now take this coconut oil into a bowl and just heat it. It must be lukewarm, not too hot. This is a heated coconut oil and allow it to cool. Now it is lukewarm, and now just taking a cotton dipped here and just apply on your eyebrows. This is very useful and important remedy to get thicker eyebrows, and also you can apply it to the eyelashes here like this. See, if you have dried mascara, this is very useful process. While using cotton, you just be careful to not get into your eyes. After massaging for 5 to 10 minutes, let it be for another 10 minutes to sit, and then after rinse it with cold water. Now the second way to get the thick eyebrows is just take a small onion like this and cut this onion into 2 parts like this, and then apply all your lashes. This onion juice is a little bit stinky, but an awesome remedy for broadening your eyebrows. Put a cotton ball soaked in the onion juice on your eyebrows and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then use cold water to rinse it off. And not necessary of having this onion juice, just cut this onion into 2 parts and then apply onto your eyebrows like this. Just now take the onion and just massage like this. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash with normal water. Third way is using a coconut oil and this aloe vera gel. By using these 2 materials, combining this aloe vera gel and coconut oil, apply to your eyebrows and lashes. And the coconut oil is to be warm. See, here I have taken the lukewarm coconut oil and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Just mix these both. With the help of your tip finger, just apply onto your lashes like this. Also, you can apply onto your lashes to grow bigger. This remedy is very helpful, and aloe vera gel is also helpful to get broad hair on your eyebrows. Yes. That's it. After applying this, let it sit for 10 minutes and then wash with water. If you want to look your eyebrows broader, just apply kajal or mascara onto your eyebrows. But avoid more threading your eyebrows. It will affect your skin and eyes as well. Do try this remedy at your home and subscribe to New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.